In the vibrant world of international modeling and digital influence, few names are rising as fast and as confidently as Jouri Alali, the stunning curvy beauty better known to millions as @artist_Jouri Alali on Instagram. Born on January 11, 2000 in Lebanon, this 26-year-old Middle Eastern powerhouse has carved out a unique space in the global fashion scene. Growing up in the heart of Lebanon, Jouri developed a passion for beauty, style, and self-expression from a young age. She began her journey as a makeup artist and content creator, launching her social media presence in June 2021 with simple yet captivating videos of makeup tutorials, cosplay transformations, and everyday lifestyle moments. What started as a hobby quickly exploded when her bold, body-positive approach resonated with audiences worldwide. Today, she boasts over 610,000 dedicated followers on Instagram and an impressive 1.7 million on TikTok across her accounts @artistjuju and @Jouri11110. Jouri's content stands out because it celebrates real curves with unapologetic confidence, from glamorous mirror selfies in fitted dresses to high-energy fashion reels that showcase elegant outfits, bold makeup looks, and perfectly coordinated hairstyles. As a Lebanese curvy model and digital creator, she has become a symbol of modern Arab beauty, blending traditional elegance with contemporary edge. Her rise proves that authenticity wins in the influencer world, turning her into one of the most inspiring voices for women who want to embrace their natural shape while chasing big dreams in fashion and modeling. Whether she's dropping GRWM videos or sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of her creative process, Jouri Alali continues to redefine what it means to be a global model in 2026. Jouri Alali's lifestyle is a perfect mix of luxury, creativity, and discipline that keeps her at the top of the modeling game. Living between Lebanon and frequent travels across the Middle East and beyond, she maintains a daily routine centered around fitness, healthy eating, and non-stop content creation. She loves hitting the gym for workouts that sculpt her iconic 39-32-44 curves, standing at 5 feet 3 inches and weighing around 198 pounds, all while promoting a balanced approach to body care. When she's not filming, Jouri indulges in her passions, watching anime, experimenting with nail art, cooking simple recipes, and curating stunning fashion looks that mix high street pieces with designer vibes. As the founder and CEO of her own women's clothing line called Joy Kitty, she pours her energy into designing pieces that flatter curvy figures, turning her personal style into a thriving business. Her days are filled with brand collaborations, professional photo shoots, and engaging with fans through Snapchat @Jouri11110 and Telegram. Jouri's aesthetic is luxurious yet approachable. Think polished photo shoots in elegant dresses, luxury-inspired hauls, and reels that capture her jet-set life. She balances her busy schedule with self-care rituals, always emphasizing confidence and self-love in every post. This authentic lifestyle has not only built her a loyal global fan base, but also opened doors to major partnerships in beauty, fashion, and lifestyle brands across the region. For Jouri, modeling isn't just about posing. It's about inspiring women everywhere to own their bodies, chase their ambitions, and live boldly. Her journey from Lebanese content creator to international curvy icon shows how dedication and personality can create a powerful personal brand that feels both glamorous and relatable. With a rapidly growing empire built on authenticity and style, Jouri Alali's net worth reflects the success of her multifaceted career as a curvy model, influencer, makeup artist, and entrepreneur. While exact figures are not publicly disclosed, industry estimates place her net worth in the range of $400,000 to $700,000 as of 2026, earned through high-paying brand deals, sponsored content, her clothing brand Joy Kitty, and platform monetization across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Her 610,000-plus Instagram followers and 1.7 million TikTok audience generate consistent income from affiliate partnerships, paid promotions in fashion and beauty, and her own product line that caters to curvy women worldwide. Beyond the numbers, Jouri's real wealth lies in her influence. She has turned body positivity into a movement, inspiring thousands to feel confident in their skin. She continues to expand her reach with new collaborations, potential international modeling gigs, and even more personal vlogs on her YouTube channel. Jouri's story is a masterclass in turning passion into profit while staying true to her roots in Lebanon and her love for glamorous, empowering fashion. As she keeps evolving her content and business ventures, her net worth is expected to climb even higher in the coming years. For anyone following the world of modeling vibes, Jouri Alali represents the new face of success, a curvy Lebanese trailblazer who proves that confidence, hard work, and smart branding can create both financial freedom and cultural impact. Her journey reminds us that the most powerful models today are those who celebrate real beauty and build empires on their own terms.